Yeah, I think we can continue. Here are some network issues, I suppose.
Nishi ma'am, am I audible?
Nishi, I think you can move on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Priya?
Nishi ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Priya. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, Nishi ma'am. Nilesh, it was a very nice performance. Actually, you broke the monotony and we were all laughing. Here, I would now like to welcome our alumni from EC department, Dr. Neha Singhal, 2005 batch, Dr. Gunjan Gupta, 2006 batch, Mr. Rahul Singh, 2008 batch, Ms. Renu Tiwari Shukla, 2005 batch, Mr. Abhishek Shukla, 2005, Mr. Vibhor Mittal, 2007 batch, Mr. Nirjar Jarodia, 2007 batch, Ms. Archana, 2005 batch, and Mr. Amit Rai from 2006 batch. We are delighted to have you here. Those who want to share their views,
I think almost all are here.
the platform is all yours. Our distributing and I from
Yeah, I think there are certain network issues at your end. Your voice is not clear. Yeah, can we have the alumni from the EC to please share their views with us, experiences, suggestions?
We have Rahul Singh, I can see.
Shall I start? I'm Nirjar. Are you able to hear me and see me?
Yes, Nirjar. Yes, Nirjar. Please.
Hello, Pawan sir. Hello, Poonam ma'am.
Hello, hello.
So, hello everyone. I'm Nirjar. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all over here, and thanks for inviting me. So, it's a great opportunity for me to meet you all. So, though I was not a very bright student, but I still remember my chemistry classes and laboratories with Poonam ma'am. So I was in a EC branch, and I'm from 2004 to 2007 batch. So right now I'm in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and working with Red Hat Malaysia as technical account manager. So we make enterprise Linux over here. So we transform the open source community products into the enterprise ready products. So unfortunately, I have not been to college from a long time, but I have grown a lot after leaving the college, and I have seen college has also grown a lot due to the high commitment from our faculty. So I'm still connected with some of my friends from college, like Vibhor, Priya is also here, and Vishu. And so we all are still connected on WhatsApp, and we always chit chat about the college and teachers. And I still remember some of my teachers who are very close to me, like Gopal sir, who used to taught us machines. So, so with that said, I would like to say best of luck to the people who are still studying in the college. And if you need any help, because open source community has actually outsourced all the things, all the materials. And if any student wants to learn about Linux, so we have all document in open source, so you can go ahead and read. So it's free of cost, all the training and everything. I'm here to help anyone who wants to connect with me. Thank you.
Hello, Nirjar.
Thank you, Nirjar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hi, Priya.
Hello.
Pawan sir, Archana, and I think even
Amit Rai is here.
Tiwari,
Amit is also here.
Renu Tiwari
Amit.
Shukla also I can see. Why are they not coming? Please come forward, all of you.
Hello, Poonam ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Amit. Hello, Amit.
Background noise here. So we just want to say quickly hi to everyone and thank you for arranging this. You all know that we have a special place in our heart for this college. So
Yes.
It comes up like
It's
every
really
other hour.
it's really good to see the whole family Abhishek.
Yeah, so we are representing RKGID family here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
You know,
much.
good to see you after such a
Really?
long time.
Yes, ma'am. So yeah, we would just like to say if you need any help from our side, we are here, and just reach out to us anytime.
Thank
so
you very
much.
much. Thank you
Nice
so
to
much.
see you guys.
Thank you so much.
And coming back to like visiting the college campus again is on top of our bucket list. Next time we are there, we
Yeah.
definitely want to come over and visit you all.
Definitely, we are proud of you, Abhishek and Renu. God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much for being
much.
here.
Stay safe, stay blessed, and loved. It's lovely to see the family together.
Yes, yes, yes. It is really wonderful. It is really wonderful. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank
I think
you.
we spoke over Amit. So Amit, you can.
Yes, 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 yes.
अभिषेक शुक्ला सर,
Please go ahead.
आपको देख के काफी अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरी बात होती रहती है शुक्ला सर से लगातार पिछले 10 सालों से। तो मेरी जब बात हो रही थी शुक्ला सर से तो उन्होंने पवन शुक्ला सर का कांटेक्ट दिया। आई थिंक नेहा सिंगल मैम से बात की तो फिर पवन सर रीच आउट किए तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। पवन सर, पूनम मैम आपको
Thank you यार, thank you.
हेलो नकवी सर, काफी अच्छा लग रहा है। अभय सर, ये लोग हमारे सुपर सीनियर थे। ठाकुर साहब 2006 में जब हम लोग पास आउट हुए थे, मैं पास आउट हुआ तो फिर मैं इन्फोसिस ज्वाइन किया था। वहाँ 5 साल काम करने के बाद फिर यहाँ यूएस में आया, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया से फिर एमबीए किया। तो फिर एक कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी, फेल हुआ। फिर उसके बाद फिर एक मिड साइज कंपनी ज्वाइन की, मॉडल एंड कॉलकॉम में काम किया। फिर उसके बाद वहां से फिर एक और कंपनी स्टार्ट की। तो इस बार जो है दूसरी कंपनी जो है सक्सेसफुल रही, उसको सीरीज ए सीरीज बी फिर उसको हम लोगों ने अभी रिसेंटली एक्वायर हो गई। वहाँ पे मैं चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर था। तो काफ़ी अच्छी जर्नी रही एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की। इनफैक्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग पे इवन यूएस स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से काफ़ी हम लोगों ने अच्छा काम किया था। तो अभी एक कंपनी है जूम इन्फो जो अभी रिसेंटली पब्लिक गई है, उन्होंने हम लोग को एक्वायर किया। तो अब यहाँ पे मैं 2 साल तक जब आप कंपनी बेचते हैं तो रिटेंशन वगैरह रखते हैं वो। 2 साल के बाद मैं फिर से एक अपनी कंपनी फिर से चालू करना चाहूँगा। और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे आज मुझे मौका मिला कि अपने कॉलेज के लोगों से मिल सकूँ, जुड़ सकूँ। क्योंकि आज उस स्थिति में है कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया सैन डिएगो का भी मैं एलुमनाई हूँ, तो वहाँ पे वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी हेल्प कर रहा हूँ। सो आई कैन बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू RKGIT folks as well, and definitely next time when I come here, maybe I will meet with Shukla sir, Poonam ma'am, Dr. DR Somsekhar, director sir. Maybe we can have an artificial intelligence lab. I can sponsor that. और फिर उसके बाद job वगैरह is not a problem. I think all we need is skill sets. और 2 साल बाद मैं फिर से शुरू करूँगा और काफी खुशी है आप लोगों से।
Congratulations, Amit. Congratulations. Really,
Thank
you
you
have
so
always
much,
been a
Amit.
very yes. बच्चे कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं, कितने बड़े हो जाते हैं तुम्हारी
Wonderful
जर्नी तो
to
वाकई
see these
it
guys.
really we are proud of you.
It's really
और,
nostalgic for us. We are
with all the best wishes for your all future endeavors. Really, it's great. और ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। बहुत बड़ा करेज चाहिए इन सारी चीजों को स्टार्टअप करने के लिए। और थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर योर वर्ड्स।
RKGIT भी स्टार्टअप था यूसी सैन डिएगो में।
यस।
फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पे भी स्टार्टअप है। पूरी स्टार्टअप में ही जा रही है अभी तक तो। और जिन जिन चीजों को टच किया, यूसी सैन डिएगो भी काफी अच्छा कर रहा है, RKGIT भी अच्छा कर रहा है, भी अच्छा कर रही है।
You too have always been a very innovative person. I still remember your antenna class.
Yes.
yes. Thank you very much.
कुछ आप भी बोलिए, आप भी काफी कुछ किए थे। काफी अच्छा लग रहा है आपको देख के इतने दिनों बाद। काफी मोटे हो गए हो ठाकुर साहब।
या बूढ़े तो सभी लोग हो रहे हैं धीरे धीरे। थैंक यू सो मच यार।
Rahul.
Great.
Hello Pawan sir. Hello
Rahul.
Yeah, so it's great to see you all especially Amit Rai, Pawan sir, Poonam sir. I think I know most of you. I'm in Singapore almost 11 years now, I came here in 2007, 2009. Once I pass out, I work for more. I always wanted to work in robotics companies, and I did many stuffs in our college also on robotics. I started robotics lab.
Yes,
And
yes.
Videos, I think some network issue.
Disconnected हो गया क्या?
Disconnect. Okay. So, can we have Archana? Archana, are you around? I can
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
So
Around.
please.
Oh,
We want your
hello
sharing.
Archana. Hello.
Love to see you. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
We want your sharing.
अर्चना का गाना मुझे अभी भी याद है.
Archana was a very good singer.
Very good singer. Very good singer.
yeah,
Gaana
sorry.
छूट गया था.
Yes, yes, yes. राहुल.
Go ahead.
कहाँ गायब हो गए थे?
Sorry, it just got disconnected. Yeah. Okay, so as I mentioned, then currently I'm heading robotics group in continental Singapore. It's a global role. I'm working on autonomous vehicles right now. So in the future you will see, cars running autonomously. Yeah. So it's a great. I would say specifically thanks to Pawan sir. You always one of my favorite teacher. I would say you always encourages us to at least for myself that to dig deeper. Yeah, just knowledge not to be superficial. It has to be dig deeper. So I learned a lot of things from you that really helped me along my journey to my all the careers till now. Yeah, and I just mentioned that it's anything required from my side. Amit mentioned, please let us know. We are happy to help, happy to support the team and also the school. College, and thanks for everyone. Yeah, thank you so much.
Rahul, you have the best quality, and we always remember you for that best quality, your humbleness. This is the best thing. This is the best thing which will always be remembered for you. Means every teacher who is in touch with you can say that Rahul was very humble student. Whatever means वो शरारत भी करता था तो इतनी humbleness से करता था कि वो पता नहीं चलता था.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you.
Archana can join, I think.
Yes, Archana. Welcome back.
Thank you. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you?
Yes.
All right, awesome. I don't know where to start. 15 साल की पूरी मूवी चल रही है इस समय. And I have no clue that I would, get into this dream state soon after getting up in the morning. But yeah, my greetings to everyone who's present in the call today. It's amazing. It's just falling short of words to express how exciting this is. And thank you, Poonam ma'am. Thank you, Pankaj sir, and everyone else who organized it. I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to, just recall, like I said, it's a whole movie going on, but I do recall a couple of things. The most recent being when the mimicry was going on and this Nana Patekar thing came up. I don't know how many people recalled Khan sir. Instantly, I remembered Khan sir and
Nadeem
the car.
Khan.
Nadeem Khan.
Yes.
Nadeem Khan.
Mechanical.
Graphics.
Graphics. That was one of the third.
Can never forget him.
Yeah, I don't know. And the other memory I had was, SDLC class. Sushmita ma'am used to take it.
Yes.
And she used to, I remember that one, quotation that she used to always say. बर्बाद गुलिस्ता करने को बस एक काफी है. अंजामे गुलिस्ता क्या होगा जब हर
But Archana, you were very loving to her. Sushmita ma'am was very तुम्हें बहुत याद करती थी. Or in fact, you have always been the first bencher of the class, most disciplined student, most studious, and everything.
Obedient.
Whatever the quality, obedient.
Pawan sir,
Pawan sir, one more thing about her. I remember Archana, she would guardian her own batchmates. मतलब सबकी जिम्मेदारी लेके बस में बिठाना, नवयुग हॉस्टल में रहते थे लोग, नवयुग मार्केट में, सबकी जिम्मेदारी लेना, पानी आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, अपने ही बैच के लोगों की जिम्मेदारी उठाती थी. So I remember that especially. Come up with problems के हॉस्टल में ये हुआ.
सर, अरे आर.के. यादव सर, अर्चना आर.के. यादव सर भी है हमारे साथ.
हेलो
सर, come on the stage sir. यादव सर.
जान रही है?
My humble gratitude to you, Yadav sir. But yeah, I mean, thank you so much. But here is a myth break. मैं फर्स्ट बेंच पे जरूर बैठती थी. पीछे
एग्जैक्टली
मैं फर्स्ट बेंच पे इसलिए बैठती थी क्योंकि सब इतने लंबे लंबे थे और कुछ दिखता नहीं था. But no, thank you so much for those memories. Like I said, I mean, I'm recalling the funny parts of it. एक और funny memory है कि जब भी electrical की class होती थी, तो I'm talking about 2001, 2002, and then उस समय कॉलेज की बिल्डिंग इतनी ज्यादा डेवलप नहीं थी और ब्लॉक बी में सेकंड फ्लोर पर क्लास होती थी. उसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा ओपन ग्राउंड था, which was basically 30 ईंटों की भट्टी थे. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल की क्लास के समय अचानक ही क्यों गधे बोलते थे पीछे से. अपने टीचर से कहते थे कि सर बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है. तो टीचर बोलते थे कि कोई नहीं, तुम्हारे भाई बहन ही है, या तो उनको सुन लो या हमें सुन लो. But you know, having said these are some fond memories. But the best part is that life was very simple that time, and teachings were very subtle. उल्लू बहुत ही intelligent होता है. There was an indirect message given to us. गधे रेखते हैं, but हाथी चलता है. And I think the formative years that we had in the college, we were just out of school, getting to know the world. Whatever we faced, whatever foundations were laid, they were simple, but they were very strong. And the testimony of it is we are where we are today. And it's just amazing. There's a whole new world in front of us. I mean, I can't just wipe out the entire experience. Amazing relationships were formed. Abhay Bhaiya, Dipanjali Di, Pratik sir, I can still remember all of them. And Renu and Abhishek, good to see you and congratulations. Good to see your kid too. I mean, what to say? It's a whole movie going around. But thank you so much, everyone. Poonam ma'am, thank you so much for taking that initiative to, just invite us all. Pankaj sir, I meet you. I did visit the college in 2018.
Yes. I met you.
कॉलेज देख के मैं घूम गई थी. हमारा वो ब्लॉक डी एंड ब्लॉक ए एंड ब्लॉक बी एंड सी खत्म, बस दुनिया उतनी थी बस. But now it's just amazing. It took me about a half an hour main road से college की तरफ आने में. I couldn't even recall that was the same road. But the college has gone into great heights, infrastructure wise and capability wise. Was an exam tha, so I could meet a lot of people, but I didn't meet Pankaj sir. Memories of canteen, bunking classes, chai, and all the mischief. I mean, there is nothing that can replace that. Let me put it this way. There is nothing that can replace that, and it's just amazing. Thank you so much.
One thing which I still remember at that time, अगर शायद बाकी लोगों को भी याद होगी इस टाइम की, पता नहीं अब भी ये चीज होती है कि नहीं, जब भी कोई कल्चरल फेस्ट होता था तो राजकुमार गोयल सर आते थे स्टेज पे बोलने कि आप लोग खाना खा के जरूर जाइएगा. एंड दैट lavish dinner. That lavish dinner nobody can forget.
खाया नहीं हमने.
No, I think amazing. You recall the right thing. कुछ और याद हो ना हो, but राज सर का खाना खा के जरूर जाइएगा।
अच्छा अर्चना, तुम
then-
इतना अच्छा गाती हो, ये जब तुम जो स्टेज पर एंकरिंग कर रही थी, मुझे आज भी याद है 2004-5 की बात है, वो जो हमारा एनुअल फेस्ट था उसमें एंकरिंग कर रही थी, और ड्यूरिंग द एंकरिंग तुमने 2 लाइन गाई थी किसी गाने की, तब पता चला था कि यू आर सो मच गुड सिंगर।
She was a singer. She used to participate also.
बट उससे पहले मैंने कभी आपको गाते हुए नहीं सुना था।
I am not. I'm typical bathroom singer. और उसको भी
Come on, Archana, we heard you singing. It's okay. You don't want to sing. It's okay. Next time we'll catch you.
But let me put it out. Let me put it out this. Like I said, that, you know, these formative years, we had some amazing relationships made. They're still there, like I said. I'm still connected to Abhaya very much. And then the others, I may not talk to you. We may not connect. But let me put it this. The bond is very strong. And every time the memories come, they come for good. And there are times when, you know, you recall things, or you know, you're thinking about something. Problems aate hain, sabhi ki life mein aate hain. Those are the relationships that you really count on. And you know, you start thinking back ki kya foundation leke aa gaya tha, whether it is teachers or whether it is seniors. I mean, talking about seniors, we had a ragging session of 1 full year. And I do not undermine the importance of, you know, so-called ragging. Otherwise, we wouldn't have come out with the standards we came out with. And जहाँ तक गाने की बात है, मैं वैसी bathroom singer थी. So had it not been अभय भैया, हम कभी स्टेज पे नहीं आते. हम कभी स्टेज पे नहीं आते. But
हम लोगों ने रैगिंग तो नहीं दी, हमारी रैगिंग नहीं हुई, बट हमारे जो नेक्स्ट बैच था, हमने उनकी रैगिंग ली थी अच्छे से।
एक साल ली थी, और उसी रैगिंग में मिले थे।
आई थिंक अमित को याद होगा, अमित के फेवरेट सर याद है कि नहीं? अभी है नहीं वो मीट पे।
श्वेत केतु राय सर एक्चुअली मैंने बचा लिया था, और उसका ही परिणाम था कि फिर हम लोग जाने गए बहुत खराब रीजंस के कारण। अगले साल जब हम वैभव के ग्रुप की रैगिंग ली थी तो पूरे इंडिया में न्यूज पे आ गया था।
Yeah, I mean, amazing stories from, you know, girls hostels and boys hostels. हम लोग नवयुग मार्केट।
सर मत याद दिलाइए वो 2004 की बात अमित सर।
अच्छा, एक मेमोरी और मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा। हम लोग जब नवयुग मार्केट में रहते थे, शुरू के फर्स्ट मंथ में जब उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था, तो कॉलेज की बस हम लोगों को मिली थी फिल्म देखने के लिए। लगान मूवी देखने हम लोग गए थे चौधरी सिनेमाज में। तो कॉलेज की बस हम लोग को चौधरी सिनेमा ले गई थी और वहां से लेके आई थी। सो हमने काफी कुछ एंजॉय किया था शुरू में।
काफी फॉर्मेटिव था नहीं, अदर देन पढ़ाई बहुत कुछ सीखा था।
Actually, these batches were the pampered batches.
Yeah, I mean,
these batches 2004, 2005, they were pampered batches.
But yeah, I mean, I cannot deny the fact that life was so simple then, and it's just amazing to recall everything back. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Archana.
Thank you. Very nice to see you.
Nishi, you can continue with the program, please.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for your lively wishes. Okay, so we would move on.